everybody, my name is Lauren Edwards and I will be your child's mathematics teacher this year. As you can see, I am standing outside of Belleville West. Just want to welcome you to the first ever virtual open house. I'm going to head up to my room, so we're heading all the way up to the third floor. And while I do, I'm going to give you just a little bit of information about myself. This is my 10th year teaching at Belleville West. I am the head girls volleyball coach. Also, I graduated from West in 2005. I went to college at LSU, where I also played volleyball. I am a huge SEC fan, especially LSU football. Go Tigers! This is my husband, Bob, and I at our wedding last summer. My favorite holiday is Halloween. This is us dressed up as Popeye and Olive Oyl a couple of years ago. Not sure what will be this year. All right, everybody, we made it up to the third floor. I'm just gonna head down the hallway to B307, my classroom. I'd appreciate it after watching this video if you guys kind of went through the website and just checked out the syllabus, the materials, and also the tips for success. A paper copy of the syllabus should be coming home with your student today. All right, we're here, B307. Hopefully here soon I'll get to meet you guys in person, but until then, please don't hesitate to contact me through email or through phone. I look forward to getting to know your child this year and also teaching them some math. Have a great night. Bye.